Listen to the story about the tortoise and the rabbit. In case you had not heard completely about that particular race, here is one more version of it. The rabbit and the tortoise raced. The rabbit fell asleep and over again he became more self-confident. The tortoise, who is patient enough, pulled out to win. Lesson 1. If you work hard and keep on progressing, borrowing a leaf from the tortoise as perseverance, you will attain victory. Again, listen to the second part. The rabbit's self-loving feeling is affected. He says, "Let us race one more time." The bunny tries to undo his mistake. He won. Lesson 2. Never ignore your fault, remember it and do not do it again. The turtle says, "Okay, rabbit, good buddy, let us do the race again, but this time we will need another road instead of the one we usually cooperated." At first, the rabbit heart begun. But the route drew a river, so the rabbit decided to stop. The turtle swims over the river slowly and wins the game. Lesson 3. Using your strength is better to define your action plan. They now both have known their strength. They two of them work together. The tortoise here rides on the rabbit on the land, and the rabbit in the water rides on the tortoise. Each one goes the distance in just a few minutes. Lesson 4. Alternatively, if you can actually conduct your work as a team, which would be beneficial for you and in addition the work will get done quickly. Befriend those whose strength supports your own. The way will also be easier to tread and you will learn the profit as well.